Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Tahoe door latch. First, determine the specific issue with your door latch. Is it completely stuck, or does it simply not engage properly? Carefully inspect the latch mechanism and connecting rods for any obvious damage or disconnections. Sometimes, a simple visual check can reveal a broken spring or a disconnected cable. Pay attention to how the door handle feels when you operate it. Next, you'll need to safely remove the interior door panel to access the latch assembly. Begin by locating and removing all screws, often hidden under trim caps or in the armrest. Gently disconnect any electrical connectors for power windows or door locks. Use a trim removal tool to carefully pry the panel away, releasing the clips without causing damage. Take your time to avoid breaking any plastic components. Once the door panel is off, you can access the latch. Disconnect the various rods and cables attached to the old latch mechanism. These typically control the interior and exterior handles, as well as the lock. Unbolt the entire latch assembly from the door frame. Install your new or repaired latch, making sure all connections are secure and properly aligned. Test the latch's function before reassembling the door. Before fully reassembling, perform a thorough test of the latch's operation. Ensure both interior and exterior handles open the door correctly and the lock functions as expected. Reconnect all electrical components and carefully reattach the door panel, pressing firmly to engage all clips. Replace any screws and trim pieces. For other great deals and the link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below. Enjoy your newly functioning door latch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.